welcome back to my channel tonight. It's about 9:30. We just got out here bringing out a little firewood, so we're going to go ahead and put that down and I'll show you guys what we're going to do tonight. There, we got a little bit of, a few armloads of wood stockpiled in here. It's supposed to get a little cold this weekend. It's almost 50 degrees today, and that is a beautiful day in January in this part of the world. So tonight we're going to go upstairs. We're going to get cracking on that closet and try to get that finished up. At least get everything but the door done. So we're going to go up there and work on that. Come along up there and see what we got going on. Alright, so now we're going to put this trim around the door opening. We got a top piece, two side pieces. Alright, these are our sideboards for the closet door opening. And we got to notch these out to fit around the framework that's there. So what we got to do is we got to come up, we're going to come up about 1 1/16" because that's about how thick this rough cut wood is. It's a little over 1 inch. We're going to mark that across. And we're going to come back about 1 1/16". And we're going to mark that. We're going to cut this piece out here. This will be on the exposed edge, so that way it'll go all the way to the floor like it's supposed to. We're going to use our 20-volt DeWalt nailer, 2-inch galvanized ring shank nails. These don't have to be galvanized, but it's what I had left over. And the ring shank is really nice on this rough sawn lumber because it won't loosen up. And really we're just eyeballing this. We kind of want it to hang out a little bit, so side piece in. It's got a friction fit. Fits tight like it should. On this last piece, we'll try to give you guys a better idea of how this fits. See, I put that bottom in there, slide the top over. There's our trimmed out opening. Okay, so if you guys didn't see my previous video, I'm going to show you a quick tip on making a pocket hole without the pocket bit and the jig and the clamp and all that stuff. So what we do is we got a tapered bit here. It's got a collar on it. This collar is adjustable. You want to drive it all the way back. Come down about 1 1/4 inches from the end of your wood. Just start it. Bring it back at a real steep angle. And drive it up. You see that bit come out. You just made a nice little pocket hole. Once again. That works just fine. That's a perfect pocket bit cheat. Alright. So now we got our side framed in here. You can see those pocket holes that we used. Right there. And you can see the look that I'm going for here. Kind of that button pass style. Get over here, give you a better look. You got ends that are alternating. Kind of mimics the outside a little bit. I kind of like it. It's a little bit different, so. Well, folks, that's it for me for tonight. For working on the closet. It's about 1:45, so we're gonna head back to the farm. We're gonna try to get this edited and published for you tonight yet. Catch some shut-eye. I gotta work tomorrow for a couple hours, but then we're gonna be back out here. Come back again and we'll get this wall finished up over here. We're gonna rip this carpet up and hopefully get some laminate flooring down in the next video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe, and we will see you again the next time.